Welcome to the Online Meditation Center. You are a human being. And in that word lies the clue to your, we could say, mission in life. Your objectives. The word is split in two. Human being. The human part is the animal part, you could say. It's this body, the human animal who stresses around the world, going to work, having a family, going to school, all this chaos that drives humanity and humanity's development. Everybody knows what the human part is. But let's look at the being part. You're a human being. And the being part is perhaps even more important. Because you're not just the animal human. You are the being inhabiting this animal. Now, you're not actually inhabiting anything, but that's another story for another time. And the being part does not make any noise. It says nothing. But it's so important. And it's so easily overlooked. But in that word being is the clue to perhaps the most important thing you can do and focus on in your life. Which is to be consciously. And where the human part of you, the person, you could say, that is born, lives its life, grows old and dies, the human part exists in time. It changes as time goes. All the while, the being part is right here, right now. And it's ever only right here, right now. Of course, even the human part only exists right now. So all my words will have to be taken with a grain of salt. All the words are only merely pointing at something, pointing at an idea that will illuminate one specific aspect of this understanding. So don't get too attached to the words. Simply look where this pointer points while it's pointing. And then when it's over, forget all about it. So, you are, first and foremost, a being who has the experience of controlling a human body. And as I said, the being word contains the clue to one of your most important endeavors while existing, which is to be consciously. It's nothing you have to do. You simply exist with awareness in this moment. And you could say your mission is to expand that awareness until it grows so big, so crisp, so lucid, that you're aware of every element your experience consists of. And the more you are aware consciously, the more you, as they say, rest in awareness, in the mere fact that you exist right now, the more your awareness will expand. And it's like sinking deeper into the ocean, reaching unknown depths. And the longer you are silently attentive, merely paying attention without any mental noise, or without paying attention to any of the thoughts bubbling up. You're simply here. You simply watch. And the longer you can simply watch, the deeper you will sink into this ocean of awareness. And the deeper you sink, the deeper you plunge into not only your own existence, but existence itself. Because in truth, there is no distinction between your existence and existence itself's existence. Those two are the same one. So when you go deeper into your own existence, you simultaneously dive into life's very existence. You are this awareness. That's what you are. Eternally. An undying consciousness that jumps in and out of experiences. And right now it's experiencing being a human. And it can learn and have experiences as a human. But fundamentally, it is consciousness that never changes. It's never born and it never dies. It's only ever right here. That's the being part of a human being. And the more you are aware, the more aware you'll get. So you start by being aware of this moment, the fact that you exist. So you stop your incessant hunt for the next thing, the next experience, the next goal to reach, or whatever you're running from. Either the past, the future, whatever it is, you start by being aware that you can actually stop and simply be right now. Not needing anything, not going anywhere, not running from anything. You're simply here. This is meditation. That is the fundamental meditation, which is what you are. And so when that awareness has been solidified and you're able to sit here and simply be aware, simply be yourself without any ideas about yourself or the world or others, simply seeing the ideas arise and disappear while you're simply here, breathing, existing. Then as you anchor yourself in your own being and bring it with you as you move through your life as a human, you will notice that your awareness grows. You will start becoming aware of sounds, sensations, emotions, waves of what you could call energy, and become aware of other people more than you were before. What they're feeling, what they're thinking, what they need. And you become aware of how you react to their reactions, how you respond to things that happen, and your awareness will grow. It will get fuller, deeper, and reality will increase in lucidity and in detail. And as you keep growing in awareness, it will be like floating in an ocean of gravitylessness while walking through life as a human. But you will be anchored in your being, which is impossible. This is only a way to say it. You can't be anchored in what you already are. You're already the being, but you're so focused on the human part. And the human part is important, of course. But we have too much focus on the human part. We forget the being part. and realize that at first, when you try to sit down and become aware of existing, become aware of being a being, it will be difficult because thoughts will come and pull you out. And emotions might come and pull you out. Others might come and pull you out. Sounds might come and pull you out. Anything might pull you out. But you just keep putting yourself back. I'm here. I exist. I actually exist. Truly watch yourself existing. Realize how incredibly insane it is that you are here. What was the probability that you would come into existence when there seemed to have been nothing? But here you are. But we forget the miracle of being alive. While we're busy being a human, we need to pay rent, we need to pick up the kids, we need to make sure our friends are happy, our spouse is happy, our families are happy, that we are happy. All this stress, like a race toward the grave, spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning, and we forget to truly stop and look right now. I exist. There should have been nothing, but here I am. And so, remember that you're a human being, not just a human animal. Because, well, of course, animals also have being, but this is just a way of saying it, right? I'm illuminating this idea. Be aware of your existence. You exist right now. Congratulations. Take care.